Hi guys, this is Shovik Mitra and once again welcome back to my channel. You are watching High Tech Review. So most of the phone we are purchasing or reviewing that was a budget friendly phone. So here is the Spice Coolpad 2 brand new phone for you guys. I am reviewing it and unboxing it because only of the price is go down, it's very low. Now it's available only 5,999 rupees. Under 6,000 rupees you will get quad-core processor, 4.5-inch QHD screen, and the main thing is 1 GB RAM. This device comes with 1 GB RAM, so this is the main features and the main selling point because the lower budget phone almost come with 512 MB RAM. This is very bad because most of the game will not loading or maybe crashed. So this is the affordable device for right now guys. So I'm gonna quickly unboxing the Spice Coolpad 2, so stay tuned with me. So first of all we unboxing, so you check the box. Here is something called DTS enable headphone or something, DTS sound engine light, and here is the private security already installed, and here is mentioned 1.2 GHz quad-core processor, Spice branding, and here is the Spice Coolpad. It's a co-branded phone. Coolpad is the most affordable and most good company in China. Here they launched their product in India with the attachment to Spice. That's all. In this side nothing, and this side you have they have mentioned the price, which is 119990, sorry 990, which is below 12,000, but you get a half of price, which is very good. And here is one thing, a sticker mentioned Coolpad power saver. It's a power saver application already installed. There is nothing, I am a sticker. So quickly unbox this device. So here you get a manual, something, a quick user guide for Coolpad power saver user guide, nothing else. And the main thing is the mobile. So I'm gonna put this put it aside for a timing. So let's check what are the other things we get with this device. So first of all, here is the headphone. It's a normal one, I think, because it's a budget-friendly phone, but there is no gold plating, 3.5mm jack, and you also have the mic, inline push button, and the mic. And here is the plastic-looking earphone. I don't think it will provide good sound, so you can spend some more bucks and get a better one from market. And the next one is the data cable, normal data cable, nothing else. And here is the travel adapter, which also Spice branded, I think. No, there is nothing mentioned, it's just a normal charger. There is nothing mentioned, Spice or anything. And here is a bunch of documentation. Here is the warranty card, I think, yes. Here is the warranty card, service center list, Spice. And here is the Coolpad manual. If you are a first time Android user, you have to read this first, nothing special. And one thing I forgot to mention, here is the battery. So let's put this all thing in the box. So here is the battery of, let's say it's lithium polymer battery, nothing mentioned here. Capacity is 1700 mAh. So here is the first look of the Spice Coolpad 2, and it's just ready the device. It's just for a second, welcome. Here is the Android version. It's come to the Android 4.1.2 Jelly Bean. So here is the Spice MI 496. You have a total of 9 home screen. You can see the performance is pretty smooth. And here is the preloaded app. There is no downloaded app. And you also have the theme option. You have the various theme you can choose from. So I'm going to quickly show you the settings. I'm quickly go to the settings and see the storage is 0.9 GB for application and 6.0 GB for downloaded application. In the battery option you have nothing. Let's take the RAM. It's a 546 MB RAM free, 552 MB RAM free, 295 MB of RAM use. That's mean it's a 750 MB of RAM, not 1 GB. And you also have the auto brightness settings option. So here's a quick unboxing and the first look of Spice Coolpad 2. I'm gonna quickly come with many other review and gaming review and camera review pretty soon. So please check my channel. Stay tuned for more review. This is Shobik Mitra saying you goodbye. Hope you like my review. If you like it, please select the like button, and thanks for watching.